Hey guys, great to see you. I'm Jake Syreini, Director of Marketing here at Windy City Equipment. I'm responsible for attracting and bringing in new customers here in Phoenix. WCE specializes in HVAC, low-temp refrigeration, and all hot-side commercial kitchen equipment. We do repairs, preventative maintenance, parts, and new equipment sales all over the state of Arizona. The foundation of what we do is built upon good relationships and great communication, which is essential to assuring that our customers' businesses continue to run smoothly. Our customer base is extremely diverse, which makes my job very interesting. From national restaurant chains to the Phoenix Zoo and Major League stadiums, I spend my days meeting with restaurant owners, executive chefs, and facility managers at some of the best culinary locations in the state. I absolutely love working with a talented team to strive for a shared goal. Windy City Equipment is not only a great place to work, we'd love for you to come see us.